Hello and welcome to OnceHub video tutorials. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the different standalone video conferencing tools you can connect with your account. To get started, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select User Integrations. You'll see that we offer Zoom, GoToMeeting, and Webex meetings as the different standalone options. And what we mean by standalone is that you can integrate one or more of these with your account, regardless of the calendar that you've connected. To connect any of these options, click on your preferred one. I'm going to select Zoom and click on Connect. You'll get a pop-up on your side asking you to enter your email, your password, and to provide the necessary access permissions to connect with your OnceHub account. Once it's successfully connected, you'll see connected in green on the top right. If you'd like to connect more than just one, you can click on the back option here or on Use Integrations in the left pane. Click on your next option and follow the same steps. Once you've connected your preferred tools, for any booking calendar where you've opted to provide dynamic video conferencing, these will automatically now be listed as an option to your clients. That's all for the different standalone video conferencing tools you can connect with your account. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.